Hi friends, welcome back to Brown Law. This is me Sharon. We are gonna be doing a summer makeup, and to be honest, I totally in love with this look. So let's start. So before we start with the makeup, let's moisturize our skin. I'm using Pond's Beauty gel moisturizer. I am totally in love with this because it's a gel moisturizer and it's perfect for oily skin. So after applying, I am just massaging it so that it penetrates inside my skin and hydrate my skin. Later on, I'm using Wadi lip balm, which is perfect for the which moisturize your lips and makes it soft. Now we'll start with the makeup. I'm gonna be using the Lakme primer and sunscreen from Neutrogena, blending it together, mixing it, and then I'm gonna be applying it on my skin. Once I'm done with that, let's start with makeup. So the first thing is eyeshadow. I always start with the eyeshadow. So before applying eyeshadow, I prep it with a concealer. I'm using a Fit Me concealer to get me a great canvas to work on. So I'm blending it with a beauty blender. So the key of a beautiful and a flawless makeup is blending. So you need to blend your cream or foundation or concealer thoroughly so that you will get a clean canvas to work. Once I'm done with the blending, I'm taking Fit Me powder to mattify and to conceal my concealer, and I'm applying it all over the concealer to give me a matte finish. As you guys can see it, it's clearly visible how matte it looks. So now let's start with the eyeshadow. I'm taking a Makeup Revolution palette. I'm using the blue color. Summers are here and summer is a season of colors, and right now we definitely need a lot of color in our life to lighten up our mood. So I'm just using makeup to make my mood up and cheerful. So let's enough of that blabbering. Let's concentrate on the makeup. So I'm taking the blue color, blending it all over my eyelids. Keep blending it, keep building it up unless you are happy with it. Now I'm taking light brown nude color, which will be my transition shade, which I will be using as a transition shade, and I will be only concentrating on the outer corner of my eyelid and trying to smoothen the blue edges, and I don't want harsh lines, so I'm trying to blend it. So I'm pretty happy with the way it's looking right now. I'm taking a yellow shade now and I'm applying it over the nude shade so that I get a gradient effect, kind of ombre I can say. So I'm blending it and just trying to build up the intensity of the yellow shade. When we are using a lot of colors in our eyeshadow, we use a lot of blending and a lot of brushes, so it tend to lose out or fade out the shade. So what I do is basically I use the same color like blue, which was my primary color. I use that again and try to intensify it so that I get the right amount of pop of color. So I'm happy with the look. Now let's take a white liner and let's wing it. After making a perfect wing, I will be using white eyeshadow over the eyeliner to intensify the look. Once I'm done with the eyes, I will be using the red lip tint. So right now I'm following a hack which is quite viral on TikTok as well as on Reels, and I also tried it on my previous video, so do check that out. And to be honest, this hack definitely works for me and I like it the way it gives me the finish. I know initially it looks like a tomato or a joker, but then it's fine. I like the finished look of it. Painting my face all red. After that, we are going to be layering foundation on our face. So I'm using two foundation, one from Fit Me and another one is Super Stay Matte Finish from Maybelline itself. So I'm using two pumps and I'm blending both colors to get my shade, and then I'm gonna be dotting it out all over my face. Also, do not forget to apply foundation on your neck. It's super necessary to have the same color according to your face, so do apply foundation on your neck as well. To be honest guys, I don't do this kind of makeup every day. I don't like to use a lot of colors, but then I wanted something to lighten up my mood and cheer me up. And it's summer. Obviously, in summer we love colors, right? And I thought let's get out from the comfort zone and try something new. And I'm trying this for the first time. I don't know how it is going to be looking, but I hope you guys like it and will love the final look. So I'm done with the dotting of the foundation, and I'm also applying a concealer on my under eye. The only reason that I picked up this look is because I wanted to have fun with makeup, and I wanted to have fun in this time, in this moment where everybody is suffering and everybody is going through a lot of bad phase. So I'm done with that, and now boom, it's all blended. After that, I'm using the Fit Me powder to mattify and to bake it. So I'm gonna be bake under my eyes and over the pigmented areas, and also trying to get a jawline with this powder. Let's see how it looks. I'm trying this as well for the first time. I don't know how it is gonna be looking. While I'm baking my under eyes, I quickly do my mascara and giving volume to my lashes. So it's time to remove the powder off of baking. So I'm taking a powder brush and just removing the excess powder. Later on, I am drawing my eyebrows, just filling in the gaps. As you guys know, I don't like to waste too much time on my eyebrows. So now what we are going to do is we are going to do the same procedure that we did on our lids on our lower lash. So now the primary color is blue, so I'm taking blue first and I'm blending it, not blending it, actually applying it and then blending it on my lower lash. After that, I will be using the nude brown color and followed by yellow shade. So once I'm done with all the blending, I will take white liner and use it on my waterline. I am taking nude shade for my lips because we already have a lot of color going on our eyeshadow. So I'm taking Lakme Pink Silk and dabbing it so that it blends it nicely, and that's it, we are done. But I think there is something that is pending. Oh yeah, highlighter. How can I forget highlighter? So applying it on my high points of my face, my cheekbone, my nose, my cupid bow and my forehead, blending it with my hands itself to give me that glowy effect. And after that, I'm using the Fit Me blush, rose nude, and this is the final look, all summery, all playful. And this is definitely out of my comfort zone, but I wanted to try something new, and this definitely made me very happy and cheerful. And I was so happy doing this, and I believe we all should do something that makes us happy right now, and we all need a lot of positivity in our life. So do something that keeps you happy and positive. Things are gonna be fine, and I'll just wish everybody is safe and sound. So I'll see you guys next time. So do not forget to subscribe my channel, like, share and comment. I will see you guys next time. Until then, take care, bye, and I love ya.